Hey my lovelies, how nice of you to join me again. Today we're going to be making sausage rolls. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using: sausages and puff pastry. So to kick it off, I'm going to start off by grilling my sausages. Make sure they're nice and brown. Not forgetting to flip them over. I then went ahead to trim the edges off my puff pastry because mine was just a little bit dry on the edges. And now you're going to go ahead and slice the puff pastry into about 1 inch wide. And this is the puff pastry that we're going to use on each sausage. And now I went ahead and I wrapped up the sausages in the 1 inch slice of the puff pastry, making sure to start from the bottom and go all the way up to the top. And I repeated this for all the 5 sausages that I had. I went ahead and sprinkled a little flour over the wrapped up sausages. I then went ahead to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And 25 minutes later, we have our sausage rolls. I then brushed over with a little egg wash just so that our sausage rolls could get a little color, and I popped them back into the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. I went ahead and sprinkled some cheese over just to add, a little more taste. And I briefly melted this in the oven. And voila, we're all done. So this is my rendition of the sausage roll. Very juicy indeed. So, you might be wondering where the sausage roll originated from. Well, it's said the sausage roll as a dish is said to have emerged in France in the 19th century, and it gained popularity in London and was loved as a cheap street food. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and do come back for some more.